at my window pane. When I look, no one inside, yet I know it isn't rain. All at once I feel your touch, and I know it's just the ghost of your love. Whoa, 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 whoa. Early morning, late at night, anytime that I decide, when I need your warm embrace, I can call her to my side. But when I am in her arms, it's not you, it's just the ghost of your love. Whoa, 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 whoa. But if I could trade my ghost for a girl like you, wouldn't that be silly, dear? Trading dreams for a love that's untrue. But if love can't find a way, here's what we should do. We'll arrange to start anew, and I'll exchange my ghost for you. So until that lucky day, when I find you in my arms, I will go my lonely way, loving all your ghostly charms. And if ever you return, I'll replace that lonely ghost of your love. Whoa, whoa, whoa.